he asked them, son, did you think? What do you think they said?
No.
No. So what y'all will have to learn how to do is, number one, how to know how you feel. So here's the truth.
How can you kindly address a bad situation with a classmate that you can't have problems with?
You can't have problems with? What do you mean, like can't? Can't like?
I think that they mean, like the way that I'm taking this is, like, say you sit next to someone in class, or it's a lot of group work, or they're your teammate on a sport.
Sure.
You can't, it's like, it wouldn't be good to have problems with.
Yeah.
I think is what it.
I've lived a direct life. When I was your age, I was very direct. I don't know where this don't hurt people feelings culture came from. I'm not trying to hurt your feelings. So if this is what I found. Difficult situation, I always attempt to preserve the honor of my feelings first. What people will do, all right, so read the question again. Let me show you how people are handling it. Read it again.
How can you kindly address a bad situation?
Key word, kindly. That's subjective. Somebody told me I was being a jerk to them just because I told them how they were making me feel. So they'll say, yo, you're being really rude, like because you stood up for yourself or you just addressed it. So let's be a real issue where I got a teammate. I have a teammate that does something I don't like. What are they doing that I don't like? I got a classmate or a peer that's doing something I don't like, but I gotta work with this person. What are they doing? Give me one thing they're doing. How do you kindly address the negative behavior of a peer that would actually take the opportunity of us being me a rat for saying something? How do you kindly address it? Kindly subjective. We always are respectful to people, but my feelings are important. What'll happen over time is, let's take the vaping. I'll have one person vaping, 9 people not. They'll let the vapor stay on the radar and not say nothing, inhale the poison, be upset, mess up their vibe, while he or she gets a mental lollipop. Where's the kindness? That has one hustle. And I don't like the word hustle, but everybody I know has a career and everybody I know has a business. For example, if you say, hey, Jackson, what do you do for a living? What's my real job and how I actually make money? And I didn't do it today. How do I make money in real life? No one knows? I write books. Did I come in the gym and write a book with y'all today? No. So it's another opportunity that came from writing books.